Everyone has long known that girls like guys who take care of themselves and wear good clothes. But what if I say that it is the hands that are the cherry on the cake that attracts girls so much? One of the signs of a man's good physical shape is his hands and the presence of veins on them, which looks aesthetically pleasing and attractive. Let's get down to business. Of course, the main factor is genetics, but there is a set of actions, the observance of which can bypass genetics and achieve visible results in a short period. Push-ups with a narrow arm position. Put your hands under your chest or shoulders, lift your pelvis, and start doing push-ups quickly without completely unbending your arms. Finish the exercise only when you can't do any more repetitions. Dumbbell bending. Take dumbbells and lean them on your knee or the edge of the bench. Start lifting and lowering the dumbbells with your brush. This exercise will not only help to make the veins more visible, but also strengthen the forearm. Fat literally hides your veins, even if they are genetically clearly visible to you. It is because of the fat that they will be visible by 20–30%. To lose fat, you should give up flour and sweets, and also add more activity to your life. Even an ordinary walk will help burn calories and get closer to the desired result. This will reduce the weight of the body, so that the skin on the hands will stretch and the veins will protrude. If you don't give your body enough fluid, then it adapts and starts storing it. It is because of this that your skin may appear swollen. This can be prevented by giving the body enough water every day. Many studies show that you need to consume at least 2 liters of water per day. And remember that by observing these things, the transformation of your hands will occur gradually. You won't get a result in one day, but in the worst case, there will be noticeable improvements in a month.